That's working the video, and here is reset. So with this, there are two ways of resetting your phone. We have one with the phone settings, and the other way is using your phone buttons right here, the power button, volume key, and then the app key. And with even these two ways that you can just reset your phone, we have one that you have to know your phone password by using the phone's settings, and it will call you off your password. But if in case you have forgotten your password, the other video, just check the comment section description of the video. There is a link there that will show you the step-by-step guide that you can just use your phone buttons to just reset your phone, and that one requires no password. And know that this video is for educational purposes, okay, so that you can just reset your phone. And know that resetting your phone, it will just erase everything on your phone. Everything on your phone will be lost. So make sure you back up your files before you reset. And also make sure you try this on your phone. Do not try it on any other person's phone. Only if you want to reset your phone, that is when this video is necessary for watching. So if you are new, just subscribe and like the video, and let me take you through the settings, one that will help you reset your phone. As I said, for the buttons on that requires no password, check in the comment section or description of the video. The link is there, and just tap on it. Let's start and let me show you this. But if you're new, please like the video and subscribe for more updates and for more videos as well. Let's start with it. Let's go. Alright, so just go to your phone settings. Just tap on your phone settings and scroll down from here, and then tap on system. When you tap on system, scroll down again from this side, okay, and then tap on reset phone. When you come to this side again, we have option that you can just reset your phone. And if you want to clear everything out from your phone, then you go to erase all data. Make sure you have copied everything that you have on your phone. Maybe you want to hand over your phone to your sister or anyone. Just make sure you clear everything from the device before you hand it over, and make sure you have shared everything from your old phone to your new phone, okay. If you want to know that one, just check in the comment section description of the video. There is a video that will take you through it step by step. Now tap on erase all data. It will then ask you to confirm it. Look down here and tap on erase all data. Now it will ask of your password. This is very, very important place that will really help to protect your account if in case you are not the one who is trying to initiate this reset, okay. So if it is you, then you enter your own password right here, okay, and then it will ask you again, do you wish to erase all data permanently, because you will not get everything back on the phone, including your music, photos, your Google account. Everything on the phone will be gone. And then tap on erase all data. Tap on it. It will then shut down, okay. To then shut down and then clear everything from the phone, and then give you a new interface as if you just bought the phone today. So let me just wait and then show you the process after clearing everything out from your phone, how you go about doing everything about your phone. So now you can see erasing, okay. It just came back. It's just like it's done with the erasing, and now it's about to turn on. If you want to subscribe, if you want to like the video, because more videos we can right here on this platform. And make sure you share the video to someone who wishes to erase or reset his or her phone. This is a very simple process. So just subscribe and like for more. And now it is done with it. So just select your language right here, and then you just tap on it, and then you just tap on your country. Just select your country right here, tap on next. Then with this side is either you have your SIM card, you just insert, or you just tap on skip right here, and then you will connect to a Wi-Fi. It is also not by force. Tap on skip right here. Now we have their user agreement and services. Just scroll down from here, tap on I have read and agree to the above terms. So make sure you read and tap on next. Subscribe and like the video for more. You have the Google services. That one too you will need to accept. Just tap on accept right here. Make sure you read everything, okay, and you can just set your lock right here, or you just tap on skip and then you will do it later. Just tap on skip again, and then we have the navigation, whether you want it as buttons right here or you want gestures. Okay, and then just tap on next. Now your device is set. Just tap on this and then to load and give you the home screen of your own device. It's just simple. So make sure you subscribe, like the video for more updates right here on this platform.